My name is Hanna Hetz, and I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. We're at Tattoo the Lou Tattoo Convention today. I've always been into art. I used to do art myself, and I've been getting tattooed for 15 years now. 15 years ago, I was offered an apprenticeship. I turned it down to go a different route, but it's something I've always been really passionate about. My original sleeve was done by an artist that we call Worm in Kokomo, Indiana, at a shop called Tommy's Tattoos. So the original concept for the sleeve basically was a bunch of weapons and candy, kind of playing on like the good versus evil. It wasn't really done exactly. I showed him a Nick Baxter piece actually, and asked him if he could do it in that similar style. He said yes. It was not done in that style. And then I just got older and realized that interests changed, and it's not really that cool to have a full sleeve of weapons and candy, so decided to go ahead and laser it instead of blacking it out. So I went to Removery to get an entire color sleeve removed. I found them through a Google search basically. I did consults with a lot of different places, and I decided on Removery. I felt like it was going to be the best experience and the best aftercare, and that they would really be able to target the harder colors to get in the tattoo. So I bought a package with Removery of 4 passes. They included a 5th pass in for free, but we had to break up the arm. We did half in one, and then I'd go back a little bit later. We'd do the other half, so it took over a year, I'd say, to do it. I was really happy with the results. So I decided to replace the sleeve with a Jurassic Park theme. It's something that's always been really special to me ever since I was a child. I've had like Dinosaur and Jurassic Park themed birthday parties, and I knew that it would work well with the neo-traditional style, that we could really bold it out and cover over what was left after the laser removal. So the new sleeve was done by Jason Bain over at Iron Age, and he's just an amazing artist. He's done several pieces for me, several cover-ups for me, and he's just super experienced, super laid back, just really easy, nice guy to work with. To finish the cover-up, we started with outlining everything. We did this big piece here, we did an inside, here, here, then we went through and we did all the black and gray shading on the sleeve, and then we've done 3 color sessions. And we expect one more session just to tighten everything up.